Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So we are about to go and feed our animals with our
There's
little
one here.
helper. Indy. How's our wellies for
Gumboots.
Australian people? And it is currently 3 degrees and we're just about to go and get some grain and we will introduce you to our little pack. Hello. Selfie. These guys are all just hiding in the back there.
Oh.
So we're just feeding our little lammies, which are here.
You're supposed to be in there.
And Tom's giving them a lecture. And then this is all their mummies behind us
Hello, friend.
and around us. And the leftover lambs that didn't know how to get into their little pen.
Feast, my little ones.
And this is our beauties. Look how cute he is. Oh, he wants to kiss. Kisses. And then this is the other one.
We're on.
Hey guys, these are all the pregnant mums. If you can see their big bellies. They're super hungry for their babies.
Move, everyone.
It's just my phone. What? It's just my phone.
This one is about to pop.
How are you getting back over, Indy? Okay, next stop is the hay top up. Guys, I look like I'm being really lazy, but I'm actually vlogging and I normally help Tom.
Yeah.
He has volunteered to do all the work for me so I can film and show you guys. That is. Look at his head.
He looks like a lady.
Mission complete. What's your thoughts on this morning, Tom?
I thought it went well.
Yep.
I thought the conditions were good.
Yep.
Um,
Even the mud.
yeah, the mud was extensive.
Tom actually likes playing in the mud.
Yep. I got completely splattered by all the pregnant sheep.
And the horses.
That's okay. They're going through a rough time.
Yeah, they really are. Short arm. Yeah, that's better. Okay, we're finished. It's 3 degrees. My hand is freezing from holding the phone. And we're gonna go in and meditate.
Yes. Very keen.
And have coffee.
First.
Yes.
Done.